Hey guys, what's up? I'm going to be showing you guys a quick KINEMASTER tutorial on how to do it. So as you can see here, if you open this one up, I made a display where I am showing you guys my Instagram so you can follow it. And it's just a quick tutorial. All you guys gotta do is if you go on Google, you guys want to search up phone frame PNG. And you can download any one of these that you want. I already downloaded one. The one that I downloaded to have the best quality ever is, if you keep on going down, it's either an iPhone one, not the iPhone X, because you have to cover the other white stuff too. So the one that I choose was this one right here. This one is a very good one. It looks very good. That's why I picked that one. Then if we go back to KINEMASTER, all you guys gotta do is make a new one. Now, what you're gonna be doing is you're adding the background, all of these colors to make it look good and right, so it will never end. So this is like 48 seconds long. So the next thing, you're gonna get the picture that you downloaded, and you're gonna put it, hold up, you're gonna add it to your screen, and you're gonna put it in the middle of the screen so you can see it well, and then you're going to add it until it goes to the end of the video. The next thing we're going to do is go to layers and add the video that you took for this phone. Now you're gonna have to put it in the correct form where it matches. See how it looks good? But then you're gonna turn your volume down and add a little bit of music. I picked Super Smash Bros. Wii U version of Mario, so I'm just gonna be adding that one like so. The next thing is, now it's fixed, so yeah, and here's the original one. And guys, let it export until it's done. So I'm gonna time lapse this until it's done. Alright guys, so now it's done, and yeah, so here it is. This is gonna be the end of the video, and yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It's very easy to do it. Just follow the steps, and yeah, subscribe, like the video, comment, and be like a pro, and stay awesome. Bye guys.